Hi, my name is Eddie Bush, and this is Craftsmanship Counts TV. Today, we're doing Advent of Code Day 2, but we're doing a little bit of cleanup from yesterday. Not really cleanup, but we're doing some work that we know we're going to need for today because we have all these data sets that come, and they're they're big, and we don't want to mess with partition them into things that look like arrays or whatever they are, right? So we need something that does this better than that. So today we're going to start with that, and we'll go from there. So as we left ourselves yesterday, we had begun to work on this extract data function. And in case you can't see where it's going, what I really want to do is just copy the data that they give us, throw it into a file, and then slurp it in and parse it. That'd be ideal. This is doing that, but it's really, really quick and dirty, right? Yeah. So it's being used in a test, and we know that this is doing what it should because that test is still passing. So this is sort of how we've got under test right now. I was trying to be lazy yesterday when I was doing this, and so that was it's what we did. But I think maybe let's be a little bit more deliberate about it, and I want to not have my puppy dogs under my feet. Hey, Happy New Year. I hope 2025 is really awesome for you. I'm looking forward to it. The dogs are settling in. Let's see here. Let's poke around for a second. This is going to be a similar thing. We're going to have like just a bunch of lines of stuff. I haven't done this before, but I'm guessing they're all going to look pretty similar to that. So this one is actually, we're going to read that more in just as text itself, and then do some parsing on it. This is so maybe I'm overthinking this. Actually, maybe we'll just rock on down the road. Yeah. Here's another one. So lots of number based. Oh, now that's interesting. You're going to finding. A lot of these are based on number input, but the one thing that's consistent is a lot of times you're slurping it all in, but a lot of times you're processing it line by line into some other form. Part of the times, that's not true. Let's just rock on and focus on the problems, and let's move on to day 3 because there's a mix here. And this is a little quick and dirty, but I could do something like that. So I could do something like that and just give myself the new input. Let's move on to day 2. All right, let's see. All right, let's pop back over to day 2. And okay, so we got these reports. Fine, that's a good place to start. I'm good with that. Let's call this day 2. Clear safety reports. What's up, buddy? We're overlapping with the time when the dogs would love for me to take a break and feed them. No, let's not go with that. Let's just do we'll just do something simple to get the file going. And hey, buddy, you gotta wait. I've chosen the wrong time to do this. Hey, you gotta wait, bud. Okay, back up. Unless you're going to code with us. All right. Okay. All right, failing for the right reason. This should make us pass. Yep. Okay. Hey, buddy, you are where I want to be. I'm sorry. Okay. So we've got a report, and these reports, right? So they have to be increasing or decreasing. And if to be safe, if they're not constantly increasing or decreasing, then apparently they're unsafe. And if there's a jump of more than 3, then if there's a jump of more than 3, then it's unsafe. So 3 to 6. Let's see. That's a tricky one. If it doesn't change, then that's not increasing or decreasing. I mean, it feels kind of weird to say that's unsafe, but whatever. 3. 1, 3, 2. Yeah. Okay, so we need the notion of whether we're increasing or decreasing. Really, 2 different degrees of freedom on safe. Constantly increasing and by only a certain amount, right? So okay. How are we going to lay this down with zombies? Let's see. We could start with 2 elements. That's about the simplest we could start with. And let's see. Okay, so let's. Well, I guess let's start with increasing and decreasing. Okay. All right. Increasing. Sorry, I have to see what's going on with my talk. Nope. No, he has revealed himself. He's making noises that suggest he's doing stuff he shouldn't be. All right. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. All right. call these readings, I guess. What do they call them? Levels. Okay. All right, so that's true. And let's bump this out. Sure. Oh, let's see. I mean, that's where we're going, isn't it? It's a really big step. But let's see. All right. You know, really, this is a part of increasing. As weird as that may sound, so I'm going to throw that up there. Okay. I'm going to break a rule here. Tell you what, let's not do. All right. Reverse that. Yeah. Not super proud of that move, but it got us there. Okay. And so we've got, something a little more realistic in there for us. And then you have to wonder, like, is it pulling? Why is it wanting to do it like that? That's interesting. 641, 279. This is it's picking up what we're trying to do, right? Like, it knows where we're at. It knows this problem for some reason. I guess it must be looking at other repositories. So it is a little naive, though, isn't it? Look at that. Like, one part of the safe is it being always increasing or always decreasing, but that's only one part of it. The other part is the amount, right? Oh, you know what? No, that does it. That does it. If we had, let's see. Let's see if I can do an example of that, actually. Let's take a step back here. Let's do an example of that'll fail. Okay. Oh, I need to put the equals on there. Here. That should be false. And yeah, let's hear it from micro steps. And then we're going to want something similar here. Nice. Okay. Let's say save change out. And then is within. It's like a delta, right? But is within limit is I'm trying to think of a good name for this. It's changing safely. Fine. I don't like it, but whatever. You gotta have a name. It tells us what it's what we're after. Now that's interesting. It's really trying hard, isn't it? This AI thing. Let's see here. All right. Well, let's get it. Sure. Um, yeah, I don't really want both those at the same time. This is a new thing. And, actually, I don't want it like this. I want it like this. And let's see here. Okay, so there's a good start. True. All right. Let's change this to 1. Trying to think how to triangulate this or something. What? Let's so want that to be true. And we want that to be false. Let's see here. I don't like where I'm going with this. Part of me wants to tell this what the limit is. And part of me doesn't. If I give it the limit, then it's easier because I've got it's easier to control success and fail. All right, let's see here. What do I want to do with this guy? Oh, I wonder if anybody's in chat. Nobody's in chat. All right. I wonder what people are doing today. Not hanging out here. It's changing safely. Well, that is changing safely. Let's kick this out. Why are you doing that to me? Let's see. 3 is okay. 4 is not. So this would need to be 5. Okay. Yeah. 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 And I could grow this, right? So now it works for 2 elements. In fact, I could refactor this just to there we go. And then if I did that, don't need that. And if I did that, then I could walk that further up. And it's only looking at the first ones. I want to add another one too there. So I need to give it another one that would be true. That change. Not looking at size or anything. How can I write a failing test here? That moves me in the direction I want to go. It's changing safely. 0.5. That's definitely not right. I really want to move this down the line. So what I need is I'm going to have to move this one first. Okay. And now, 5, 6, 2, 3. so the first ones are safe. And this is only looking at the first one, so we need to look at the next ones. Okay. Let's do this differently. Well, I can't go from unsafe to safe. Once it's unsafe, it's safe. It's unsafe. So I've got to use unsafe to drive growth on safe. And let's see. We're now looking at the next levels. I feel really dense right now. Goodness. Need some more tea. Where is that? Oh, that's my shirt. That's what it is. I was seeing the little dude, and I forgot what shirt I was wearing. I thought it was something on the streaming software. All right, I'm feeling dense. Feeling really dense here. Because six minus two is 4, right? 4 is greater than 3. It's not less than or equal to. So I'm not sure what's going on here. I feel like I'm missing something really subtle that I should be catching. We look at the first two, and if that's safe, we say it's safe. And then we look at the next two, and if it's safe, we say it's safe. Otherwise, we say it's not. Tell you what, for kicks, let's make that a 7. Seven. 2, 7. I mean, that should totally be unsafe. And yet, it's telling us that this is safe. Buddy, you gotta wait. You go lay down. You're okay, honey. Go lay down, buddy. 2, 7. They'll be fine. They're not going to waste away. I've been trying to train them to eat later. So, but they see that I'm up and around, and they think that they need stuff. Wow, I'm missing it. I am missing it. And I know it has to get, I know it has to be going through here. Right? It's got to be passing through this. And it feels like it's going through there. I'm going to do something I hate to do. Oh my goodness. I feel like I've lost. Yeah, let me stop this. And all right, so here we are. All right. What are my? Yeah. Okay. Let's wait. Oh, this is the first set of data. So yeah, let's play through that. Um, oh, did I? Oh man, copy and paste errors. Good goodness. I thought I changed that. I know I had changed that at some point. Is that what's killing me here? No, it says it's failing on 70. Just this guy. And it's got the little thing here to say it's failing there. What is going on here? This is now that was wrong for sure. But okay. Oh, yes. All right, there we go. Really? It's still failing. Are you kidding me? Greater than 2. So 2. Okay, so that's not greater than 2. Right, this is really frustrating me now. Okay, let's see. How do we debug? Control Shift F9. Okay. Levels is 1.5. And that's fine. Let me see. How we step over? That's F8. That's fine. Okay. And then, I didn't want to do that. What's the continue? F8? No, it's F9. Why is it not getting her back around there? Oh, I'm so stupid. I've got these levels locked in. Oh, man, I miss pairing. I miss having other people to see things I'm not thinking about. I just, all right. Yes, of course. Um, so this is, yeah, that's what's going on. All right. So we're dealing with link 2. In fact, really, this is that. Okay. Very good. Man. All right. Okay. So let's see. We've really got this iteration. How are we going to turn this into like absolute value? Um, oh my God, it's negative. So it's always going to be. So the thing I want to do here is I want an unsafe change going that direction. That's what's going to force me into that. All right. All right. All right. So now we've got that loop that's unwound, and we can see that it's locked in. And what we want to do then is we want to, let's see. I think before we do that, let's see. This is still passing, right? Okay, I think actually it won't matter what order these are in at this point. Okay. And that'll make the problem a little easier to think about. All right, so this should work here. Okay. And then, let's see. This is levels dot size 01. That's a bad way to look at it, I guess. Sub-zero. Let's see. I want to map this over to well, it's a reduce actually, isn't it? Yeah, it's a reduce. And then all right, let's see. So it's a reduce. It's a reduce. It's a reduce. All right, let's not jump right to the reducing. I'm not seeing how to take this right over to the reduce. I do think there's a reduce in there that would work. But I'm not seeing it. So we'll go for the simpler win. which is just the offset loop. Yeah. Actually, it's that very same loop. Right. So let's change this to we'll call that oh no, that's not what I want. I want this is actually 1 minus 1. This is 1. This is 2 minus 1, and that's 2. Right? And so okay, so we've got that, and then now we've got to apply it across, which is what we're doing here. So for sure. Here's where we're going. Huh? What happened there? One, two. Why would it say that? Why would it say? Why would that break that? Oh, we flipped it. That's what happened. So when we take this out, that's what happened. Okay. I gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. So, I mean, that's that. We get to, okay. Got to go through the reports. All right. Let's see here. We've been going for about an hour. I think I'm going to bail there. I'm going to go take care of my dogs, and we'll come back to this. So, yep. For right now, this is Eddie Bush from Craftsmanship Counts, reminding you to keep your test passing and your code